April 1452 and was died on the 2nd of May 1519. Was a painter, sculptor, scientist, and inventor. We know him mostly by his painting. His best known works are the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. At the school, he studied arithmetic, geometry, astronomy, and music. He made many notes and drawings. He loved everything he saw around him. He studied birds and he wondered if someday he could fly. What was Leonardo? He was writer, painter, cooker, sculptor, and also architect, engineer, inventor. He was a genius.
Mona Lisa, also called La Gioconda, is the portrait of a woman by Italian painting Leonardo da Vinci.
It was painted between 1503 and 1506.
It was painted in oil in a white panel.
You can see in the Louvre, Paris, France.
We use different materials to make a collage of Mona Lisa.
We use the technique of dots.